Hello there, this is Lena from IRBIS and welcome to our educational center. Today we're gonna go through a workflow that is called IP address geolocation. In order to start, please insert the IP you're interested in and click the search button. The information comes pretty fast, and the information you receive would be country, city, which continent, and some details like the region, postal code, and other details. These are the results of the information, and I'm reminding you that this information is available not only as a visual interface search, but as an API as well. You can easily integrate this feature into your existing software and take a data-driven decisions with IRBIS. Thanks for watching. See you later.